Yo, G-Paul! G-Paul!
No.
Where's the damn fireworks?
Alright, it's fireworks time. Christmas Eve, ladies and gentlemen. You can't see much yet, but I promise you will hear it. Just another Christmas Eve at the Heslin household, everybody.
Here it goes. What a dud.
Here
What
we
a
go.
dud.
Hammer time. There's my father running. You can see him. There you go. We're off and we're off. And we're off and running. Da, 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 celebrating the birth of Jesus in Monroe, Connecticut. 06447. He will rise again. He will rise again. There we go. Whoa! Get down! Get down! We're so Puerto Rican. Happy birthday, Jesus! We want more. We want more. We want at least one source. Do you have any women you could have bought one?